Well, I went to a machine and the first wheel was all loose. Turned out got a call to go down and look at the machine. Walked into the game room, could smell the acrid smoke. Opened the door, pulled out the MPU, and before I did that though, I put my hands on the three wheels. 2 and 3 were stable, but the first wheel was loose. Shut down the game, opened the door, pull out the MPU, brought it over here. U10 is the first real driver. Look at the smoke. The chip shorted out, overheated. I have to cut these legs off, pull out the pins, and solder in another chip. Maybe the board might work. Usually when these drivers go bad, you can take this one, I believe. No. Let me see. 10, 11. Yeah, you can take this one out, cut the legs, or desolder it and put it here. Or if you have a junky board, I keep these. And I try to put 2 small sockets, solder in a couple of sockets, and just throw it in the sockets. Okay, I just cut the legs off. There were 6 legs here. These 2 are not used. And those 2. Okay, now the legs are cut. You just take the chip, fold it over, wiggle it back and forth, and it breaks off. That's it. Look underneath. It looks fine underneath, but you know this thing is cooked. Because look at the burn marks here. This trace might be no good. I might have to put another wire here. I'm not sure. I have to take a multimeter and check if there's continuity between both ends. I have to desolder all these pins out, and then we'll put in a new chip. I wanted to show you this chip that burnt. It's a real driver. I'm going to zoom in as far as I can. Like I said, the bottom was okay, but you could see the burn marks on the side, and it's all like wet here. It was melting. But if you look at the middle, you see this lump right here. As I turn the chip to the side, you see that lump. See? That chip was ready to blow up. Inside, something shorted. You can see that. That's why the first wheel didn't work. This is my donor board, and as you can see, the U2 chip right here is no good. That chip overheated. I don't remember which wheel it was for, but I think it was for the middle wheel or the second wheel. Nearby on the U3, I stole a socket. There was two 6-pin sockets. I'll show you in the next video. I unsoldered it and pulled them out. I'm going to use it on the problem board. The holes are all cleaned up now. But look how small those traces are. Isn't that tiny? You got to check every one and make sure that they're still intact and have continuity. Okay, here's the problem board. I soldered in the two sockets. I have this one here. It's backwards. You see that little notch? That notch is supposed to be down here. Because on the board, you can see that it's notched right there. So I should have had that one facing down, but this is my board, and it's the way I did it. Here's the chip that I took off from the other board, and I'll put it in. Okay, now it's in, and the notch is facing like the way it's etched on the board. We're going to throw this board in the machine now. This is Frankenstein. Power supply, candle, power switch, fluorescence, the wheels, the motherboard, extra wires, my hopper doesn't need coins, button deck, display, coin mech. When you got 5 lines, and my speakers in a bucket. Here's the problem board. Put it in. It's in. Turn on the power. Fluorescence will come on. The wheels will spin. And the coin mech is ready to accept the coin. Let's throw a coin in it. Play. Success. That's how you fix the real driver.